have one box of hair dye. This is not gonna be enough. Hello, kitty. Yeah, I really didn't think I was gonna make it there, but I mean, I guess we'll see. I really don't know for sure what the damage is looking like until after I rinse out everything. Hopefully I didn't miss any spots, but I was not about to run out and grab another box. I'm getting ready to go on a trip and I need to do some things. This was not on the list of things to do, and yet here we are. This is my traditional dyeing shirt. You can see all the bleach spots from when I dyed my hair blonde. And now it's the black dyeing shirt. Hopefully this is the last time I'll be wearing this shirt dyeing my hair. If not, I'm reaching for the scissors. I also need to pack, and there's something else that I need to do that I've forgotten, but I guess I'll just show you guys later.
Serving stone and clotted cream is what I'm doing. And now that I've made my delivery, I'll be on my... Katarina's just checked in. Pockets are soft. She's here. Love you.
'71 and windy, 83 and sunny, 84 and sunny, 82 and sunny. Oh, and cloudy. First I have to choose a bag. It's between these. I think I'm going to pick out my outfits and then settle on a bag that matches all the outfits. I'm thinking black tank top for the airport, and then I want to wear sweatpants, but I want to make sure that they're thin, because once I get outside the airport it is going to be quite warm. So I'm torn between these and these. These are a little bit thicker and these are a lot thinner. I'm not sure. I mean, obviously they both go with black. Okay, what do we think? Then I definitely want to bring a dress for one of the hotter days. I want to wear this one. It is so much cute. I love this dress. I just got it in a recent haul. I'll put it up in the card so you can check that out. But the quality of this dress, stunning. I think I'm gonna do like a skirt outfit. Oh my gosh, I have so many to choose from. I have white, yellow, pink, and blue. Okay, here's the pink one. The thing about this one is that it's a little bit tight on the hip, thigh, butt area. This trip is going to be very relaxed. I think I just want to be comfortable. I made some executive decisions on what I'm wearing. These two pants outfits are airplane outfits. Then the dress, let me make sure it just doesn't still have the tag on it. This skirt with this vest, oh my gosh, I thought was so cute. Businesswoman on top and hippie girl on the bottom. An unexpected turn of events. This skirt that I just got from H&M, and this top because it had a little bit of navy. And now I have no idea what I'm going to pack as a sweater or shoes. Do I pick white or black? Because I'm not sure either of them go with every single color. Oh, these look cute. And then with these, yes. And then with this, yes. The vibe is right. The vibe is right. You know, the vibe could be right. You know what? I think this is as close as we're gonna get. I think these have to come. It's just this that's making me like, I don't know. I think it'll be okay. We're finished.
There's a lot of smoke in the room. Stuck to my seat like glue. This dude is trying to find me cause this girl showed me her boobs. I should've stayed at home, but there's nothing else to do. There's a lot of people in this house that I don't need. There's a lot of smoke in the room. Stuck to my seat like glue.
Which is definitely big enough to carry all my stuff. But, not gonna lie, it's a little boring. Then I have this one. But it's so small. I can't get much in there. What is that? Fur? That match? I don't know. Pull it out. Maybe. Ugh, I hate it. Okay, back. Let's go. I'm here for your bags.
What bags?
Your purses. All of them. Too small. Do we really want fur? It's kind of like the middle of summer. Oh, there's this one. Just kind of like my other one, except it has a long strap. And you know what? I just realized this bag isn't gonna work because of the gold hardware. I have silver in my shoes. It might just have to be my plain bag after all. Boo! Bag is packed. Outfits picked out. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 5:07. We were supposed to leave at 5. Mom's alarm didn't go off. I ended up waking her up at 4:45 just because I happened to go out there. I also didn't charge my phone last night, so this trip is off to a great start.
Everybody is going to Houston. Your flight time to Houston this morning, it's going to be 2 hours and 30 minutes from wheels up to wheels down.
Oh my god, it keeps going. Wow. Oh my god. The second closet is just as big as the first one. Yeah, because otherwise we'll forget which one is which.
Hello. Oh, good morning, Ann. How are you? Good.
Speak of the devil.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. What's that? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Well, thank you for letting me know. Okay. Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye. Oh, my God.
What happened?
Oh, her mother doesn't want to rent the house.
What?
Yeah. She said, I'm so sorry. My mother doesn't want to rent the house.
Oh my God.
We got nothing.
We got no houses.
We got no houses.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Bedroom in here. Look at the size of my room.
You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my
that spicy? Yeah, it is.
We'll be dancing on the moon when it happens. When it happens. We'll be dancing on the moon when it happens. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you know what it is. Rest in peace, Mac, don't trip. Gotta thank Coda for the hit. Hobby turn a hobby to legit. Now we body every bitch. Still a bushy bitch talking that bullshit, bullshit. So why you throwing shade on me? Cause I just do my thing low key. But naked while I'm doing Tai Chi. Never met a motherfucker like me. Yeah, man, what's up? You don't really got no crystal ball. Shut the fuck up. I don't wanna hear that shit at all. You so stuck up, but ain't no problem, that I could've solved. Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line of that cold feet winter.
I took a break because I'm hungry.
I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize. I got a pocket notebook, I'm nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out you've got one too.
When I do a mic break too. It's for the last, right?